So I just stumbled across this concept called proof of thought, and it's about using LLMs with theorem proving. It's wild.
Wait, seriously. How does that even work? I mean, combining language models with something as formal as theorem proving sounds complex.
Right? It's like blending the creativity of AI with the rigor of mathematics. I guess they're using Z3, a theorem prover, to evaluate logical statements.
Z3 is pretty sophisticated, but doesn't that assume the queries are formulated perfectly? What if the language model misunderstands something?
That's a great point. I wonder how robust it is against ambiguous questions. Like if you ask it something nuanced, can it still reason correctly?
And then there's the whole idea of batch evaluation. It seems like they can process multiple queries at once. How does that work?
Oh, they have this evaluation pipeline that can take a data set, run through it, and compute accuracy. It's like performance testing for these AI models.
That's impressive, but I'm curious about the accuracy. What if the underlying dataset has bias? Doesn't that skew the results?
Exactly, if the training data is flawed, the outputs will reflect that. It's a bit concerning, right? The implications for reliability could be huge.
For sure. I mean, it's fascinating, but we have to think critically about it. If it's only right 70% of the time, that can lead to misinformation.
Totally, and I read they recommend using the high-level API for most users. It's simpler, but does that limit what advanced users can do?
Good question. Simplifying can sometimes mask complexity. I wonder if the low-level DSL offers more flexibility for those who need it.
Right? Accessing that level could be tricky for some. It's like if you only have a smartphone versus a full computer setup.
Exactly. And the balance between accessibility and depth is crucial. If users can't leverage the full power, they might not see the benefits.
This discussion really highlights how important it is to understand the tools. I mean, without proper context, you could misuse them.
Absolutely. Context shapes understanding. So I'm thinking, how do we ensure users are equipped to use something like this responsibly?
Maybe more education around AI tools, like workshops or tutorials focusing on ethical implications and best practices.
Yes, it's like giving them a map before they enter a complex territory. But what about those who just want to dive in and experiment?
Good point, there's always that balance. Diving in can be fun, but you could end up lost without guidance.
True, and speaking of diving in, have you checked out the examples directory in the Proof of Thought repo? It's packed with practical use cases.
Not yet, but I'm intrigued. It's like a treasure trove for developers. Practical examples can make a huge difference in understanding.
Exactly. I love real-world applications because they ground these concepts. Makes it easier to visualize how the tech can be used.
And you know, with Azure OpenAI support, it opens up even more possibilities. But that also comes with its own set of risks and responsibilities.
Definitely, the cloud aspect adds convenience, but it also raises concerns about data security and privacy. We can't overlook that.
That's a big one. It's like having a powerful tool but needing to be cautious about how we handle it. It's a double-edged sword.
Right? And if we think about the future of AI reasoning, what's the potential if we get this right? The possibilities are endless.
Absolutely, but I think we need to tread carefully. Ensuring that ethical considerations are embedded in the development is crucial.
Agreed. It's all about striking that balance between innovation and responsibility. Otherwise, we could end up in murky waters.
So if we wrap this up, where do you think we stand? There's so much potential, but a lot to navigate.
I think it's a journey. We need to keep questioning and refining how we use AI. This tech can add value, but awareness is key.
Well said, it feels like we're just at the beginning of exploring this. I'm excited but cautious about where we're headed.
Totally. Let's keep the conversation going as we learn more. There's always something new to unpack in AI.
Definitely, and I'm left wondering, as we integrate these technologies, how do we ensure fairness in AI decisions?
That's a vital question. We should consider how to design systems that promote inclusivity and fairness from the ground up.
Exactly, that's the challenge, but it could lead to a more equitable future with AI. Let's keep pushing for those discussions.
Agreed. This whole topic really highlights how intertwined ethics and technology are and why they must evolve together.
And that's what keeps this conversation alive, the intersections of technology, ethics, and the human experience.
Absolutely. I can't wait to see how this unfolds. There's so much to think about as we move forward with AI.
For sure, it's a thrilling time to be exploring these ideas, but we have to stay grounded in our values.
Exactly. Let's keep asking the right questions while we explore the exciting world of AI tech.